Good morning, class. Today we find ourselves at Friday, April 17th. Well, it looks like we're making it through the first school week after our spring break, so I hope you got to do something outside sometime this week, even with the colder weather, and you got to see those big flakes of snow that surprised us yesterday. So in the end, I'm going to talk to you about the math assignment that I made for us to do that you can work on today. Let me show you. Okay, so when you open up your Google Classroom and then you go to the Math Appenzeller-Dworak class, then here in about a minute or so, this assignment is going to post on there called Rational Numbers. And what I'm talking about is two different things. So what we're going to do is we're going to listen to this video and answer these questions. So what I did was I retyped these questions because it wasn't letting us do it. And so then you just click on that and it opens up the Google document I made. Rational numbers, positive and negative numbers. So then there's 5 questions. And you type in a positive or negative number that stands for each statement. Look at the highlighted words before you answer the question to help you decide if it should be a positive or negative number for your answer. After typing in your answer, save it to your Google Drive. So down here, you look at this question. A hiker climbs a vertical cliff 1,578 feet. So I highlighted the word climbs. Is climbs, would it stand for a positive or a negative number? Is the action going up or down? If the action is going up, you should use a positive number in your answer, and if the action is going down, use a negative number. So in this instance, climbs is going up. So when we write a positive here, do we put in a plus sign for our answer for a positive number usually? No, that's the thing I wanted to make sure you didn't get confused on. Where this next one says a hot air balloon descends 429 feet, descends. Is that a number that's saying it's going up or down? So would we use a positive or negative number? Well, when you descend the stairs, most people don't really use that word so much anymore, but it means you're going down the stairs. So, in this case, do we put a negative sign in front of our number to say it's a negative number, like that? Negative 429 with that minus sign in front? Yes. That's the only thing that I think is tricky about this. Up here, even though it's a positive number, we don't put the plus sign in the front because we just figure we know. Just like when they're talking about the temperature outside. If it's above 0, we don't put a plus sign in front of the number for what degrees it is outside. We only put the minus sign in front of the number if it goes below 0 degrees outside. That's what I was going to try to explain it by. And then after you get done filling these 5 numbers in, then you got to save it in your Google Drive and your Google Documents. Go back to the assignment. Listen to this video. Uh-oh. It's saying you guys gotta log in there. So I know what password I had to do the other day, but I'm gonna have to look for it again and put it on the assignment description, because I guess you're going to need to know that username and password to get into this brain pop video. Okay, so I'll put that on the assignment description. The good thing I was trained to show you. So usually it would have opened that up and you would have watched that like 3-minute video about rational and irrational numbers. Once you watch the video, then go back to your assignment and then ask it to submit your assignment, and then I'll give you the points for finishing the assignment. Okay, and that's all I have to say for now. Okay, hope to see you on the Zoom call at 12. Bye.